Welcome to 2026 and welcome to my SAP Cloud ERP 2602 product release highlights. I am Bert Schulze, and as a member of our SAP Product and Engineering Unit, I am running Cloud ERP and SCM product success. While you are watching my digital twin on screen supporting the video delivery, the content itself has been carefully selected by me. And it was again not easy to decide what to include as highlights amongst the large amount of innovations delivered. It's our 34th major release over the years, and I have collected for you a hopefully interesting selection across functional, foundational, and user experience capabilities. And the AI journey continues boosting both well-known and new ERP processes to be even more effective. With the first release of 2026, we walk the talk of our SAP Business Suite and introduce a range of SAP-managed integrated business processes, removing the complexity of integrating and monitoring multiple cloud solutions from our customers' and partners' activity list. We have carefully listened to your wishes, and SAP now delivers co-provisioning, functional and technical integration, including lifecycle management, allowing these activities to move in the background while customers focus on their core business. As an initial step, SAP-managed integration is delivered for two end-to-end processes through an early adopter care program. Workforce management, with managed integration between SAP Cloud ERP and SAP SuccessFactors Employee Central, and operational procurement, with integrated processes across SAP Cloud ERP and SAP Ariba solutions. Enabled by blueprint-based provisioning and guided through SAP for Me, SAP Managed Integration supports a consistent, efficient, and integrated suite experience. Before we dive into the first functional examples, it's worth mentioning that artificial intelligence, including our digital assistant Joule, plays an increasingly important role, fueling effectiveness across SAP Cloud ERP. With each release, we are expanding Joule capabilities, and embedded intelligence services bring automation, effectiveness, and guidance directly into everyday business processes. Keep in mind, it is designed to be a duet, not a duel. The human-AI partnership provides the best of both worlds when orchestrated as a duet, centered around the human, augmented by the AI. Let's explore a few examples of how intelligent technology transforms business operations. Let's get started with a finance example. For many general ledger accountants, the period-end close process can be a stressful time, involving hours of manual work to calculate and post accruals. With this release, we introduced the beta version of Accounting Accruals Agent to do the heavy lifting for you and streamline the process. Using agentic AI, the agent interprets accounting policies, analyzes historical data, and automatically generates accrual proposals. Accountants can review transparent, explainable proposals in the Manage Accrual Proposals app and post them with confidence. The result: significantly reduced manual efforts, faster period-end close, and more time for finance teams to focus on higher value analysis. Next, manufacturing. Production engineers and master data specialists know that creating new production routings, especially for products that are similar to existing ones, involves a lot of repetitive data entry. To solve this, we are introducing AI-assisted production routing proposals. The AI engine analyzes material information and the bill of materials to recommend existing routings that closely match the new product. Instead of starting from scratch, users can copy and adapt the most relevant routing. This innovation directly translates into significant time savings, a lower risk of data entry errors, and greater consistency across your master data. It helps your teams work faster and smarter. Now let's look at an innovation that benefits every SAP Cloud ERP user. Many daily tasks, like navigating apps, filtering lists, or entering recurring data, are repetitive and time-consuming. What if you had a smart helper to do that for you? With the 2602 release, we are beta testing AI-assisted task automation. Using generative AI, users can create smart helpers that automate routine, multi-step tasks directly within SAP applications, while staying fully in control, especially when data changes are involved. Integrated into the My Home page, this capability makes everyday work faster and easier, freeing users to focus on higher value activities. As this is a beta feature, we invite you to join the testing program and help shape the future of AI in SAP Cloud ERP by clicking on the link in the description below. Now let's check out the SAP Cloud ALM innovations. In transformation projects, teams often invest a lot of time turning improvement ideation, workshop outcomes, documents, and process discussions into structured requirements and test assets. With the latest updates in SAP Cloud ALM, This work becomes more streamlined across the project lifecycle. AI-assisted requirements generation helps teams create initial items automatically based on fit-to-standard workshop transcripts, solution processes, and other project documentation, giving project members a solid starting point. Reviewing and refining is always easier than building it from scratch. Further enhancements focus on governance and test preparation and advanced and new APIs for manual test cases, process hierarchies, and features make it easier to integrate SAP Cloud ALM into existing tool landscapes and automate project reporting or oversight. These are just a few examples of the innovations we are delivering to help you run your business as an intelligent, sustainable enterprise. We are here to support you on that journey. Explore my blog post below for deeper insights and join the discussion on SAP Community to tell us which innovation you believe will deliver the greatest impact.